Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for having me here today. I'm so impressed by everything that Matrak has done. What you've achieved is amazing considering your humble beginnings pre-COVID, and your resilience and never quitting this market attitude was very impressive. The Matrak story reflects the spirit of all Australian startups. I'm confident that more companies like Matrak will follow suit. The establishment of your office in Suzhou is a testament to your confidence in the Chinese market. Suzhou, with its beauty and vibrant business ecosystem, provides the perfect platform for your expansion across China. I have no doubt that your journey in Suzhou will be just the beginning as you continue to leave your mark across the nation. If you achieved so much in a time where it was impossible to achieve anything, I can only imagine what you're going to achieve from now on.